Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm telling you all about dogs. Okay, now let's get to the topic. Dogs do lots of job for us. They are guide dogs for blind person. Guide dogs help and rescue people. Guide dogs were probably the first animal on land. And dogs are people's best friends for thousands of years. Wow, that's a lot of years. Okay, now let's make a paper dog. First we need black paper for eyes and nose, and a red rectangle for the tongue, and a big yellow square shape for the body parts. Now first and a quarter for the eyes. Now let's make the body part. First we need the big yellow paper, then fold it. And let's fold it again. Now let's open. Let's add some ears. Now we need a quarter and a black rectangle paper, so we can use that for eyes, and the barrel shape for the nose. On save time, I already made these. Now let's do a big triangle. Now let's fold it like this, and let's draw a U shape on the bottom of the paper. Then let's cut it. Now we are done. Let's stick it. Now we need the nose. What happening? Now we need two circles for the eyes. Where is it? Then we need black crayon for the dot. You can put any dot, whatever you want. I want like this. Okay. Now it's done. Now it's done. This is how we do a dog. Bye. Bye.